What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa. Welcome back to my channel. As a man, your 20s, they're definitely one of the most important years in your life, right? Because decisions and the actions that you take at this stage of your life, those are gonna have a massive impact in the rest of your life. That is why you need to make sure that you're doing everything in your power to have amazing years in your 20s. So if you're in your 20s today, I have a list of things that you should be doing every single day to achieve all of your dreams and to have an amazing life, or at least an amazing decade in your 20s. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Alex, and this is my channel. We like to talk about men's fashion, grooming, hair, dating advice, and so much more. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button below and join our YouTube family. All right, let's get right into it. One of the best ways to make sure that you have a great day is to schedule your day ahead of time. So a lot of times I used to wake up in the morning and then like take a long shower and kind of chill, and then I would look at my schedule and be like, oh crap, I got a lot going on. I shouldn't have taken that long shower. I should have woken up earlier. I'm screwed. That's not a good way to be, because then you start your day late already, and that sets you up for failure for the rest of your day. So the best thing that you can do is actually set your schedule the night before. Understand what you have going on the next day. Make sure that you look at your calendar. I have a Google Calendar where I keep track of everything so that you know when you need to wake up, whether or not you can have a long shower, whether you have time for breakfast in the morning, a nice long breakfast, or just quick oats. That's gonna help you stay more organized, and it's going to increase your productivity levels. So tonight, before you go to bed, make sure you're doing that to-do list. Something that you need to do in your 20s, and it's imperative that you do it in your 20s, is you need to become independent. No more parents helping you out with money or food, with every little chore, like doing your laundry, like getting your car fixed. You need to let that go and understand that you are an adult now. Now, I get that this isn't gonna happen immediately. It's not like you turn 20 and your parents are like, all right, bye, good luck, you know, and you got to do everything on your own. It's more like every single day of your life, understand that you have to become more and more independent. And understand that people will let you down at some point or another. So if you depend on your friends or parents or your partner, if they let you down, are you gonna be able to take care of yourself? And the answer needs to be yes. Another very important thing that every guy in his 20s should be doing is working out and staying fit. You're not a teenager anymore. You need to make sure that you're working on your health. I just had a killer workout. I'm actually not gonna lie to you guys. It's still a little sweaty from it. I literally worked out, jumped in the shower, and came over here. But my body's still burning calories. I feel great. And of course, I had my Whoop on the whole time. Whoop is our sponsor here of the channel. They've been sponsoring the channel here all year long. I absolutely love the Whoop. And if you guys don't know what a Whoop is, it's a fitness tracker that is going to give you a really good understanding of how your body works, meaning how many calories you're burning every single day, how many hours of sleep you're getting, whether or not it's good sleep or bad sleep. This is really, really good for you guys that like data. I definitely like data. The more data, the better. So I like looking at my app every single day, understanding whether or not I got sleep, and going from there. And then when I'm working out, I always like to see, did I push myself hard enough? And the Whoop will tell you. You guys have probably seen me wear this, because I literally wear it 24/7. That's how it tracks your body. Sometimes I have it here, sometimes I wear it around my biceps, so you're not gonna see it. But just to show you a little bit, basically this was my day, right? So you have the workouts over here. I did some running, I did high intensity training, and then I have my sleep hours here, 7 hours and 16 minutes. And if I click on sleep, then you see exactly how many times I woke up. I woke up 9 times, which is about average for me. As you can see, 9 times is the average actually. And then I was awake for 30 minutes, light sleep for 2 hours and 54 minutes, etc., etc. There's a lot of really good information here. While I was running, you know, I burned 454 calories. My average heart rate was 141. While I was doing high intensity training, I burned 149 calories. So you can see exactly how hard you worked out. And from there, you can adjust your workouts and understand how your body works. Now, I got my Whoop, I think it was September of last year, and I have been wearing it every single day since. Literally, not one missed day, every single day. And nowadays, when I see it on other people, it's so cool because we compare stats. I've literally seen celebrities wearing the Whoop, and if you pay attention now on TV, you're gonna see it as well. Other YouTubers, Formula 1 drivers, NFL players, even like, I'm pretty sure I saw Zac Efron wearing a Whoop the other day. I mean, it is literally everywhere because it is amazing. It's really good information, and I have a team, so you guys can join my team and we can compare stats. Not only that, there's a bunch of teams. Men 20 to 30, men in California, men above 50. Whatever community you're looking for, you're gonna be able to find it in the Whoop app. And then you can see how you stack up against those people. And it's not a competition per se, but it's more of a it's a friendly competition, let's say. And the best part is that the device itself is free. So if you use the link below, you get the Whoop itself for free, and you also get a discount in the subscription for the service. So make sure that you click the link below, get your Whoop, join my team so that we can compare stats. Trust me, if you're trying to get fit, if you're trying to look amazing, this is gonna be your personal trainer right here. Now, I know this might not be the easiest thing to do, but when you're in your 20s, one of the priorities should be working your ass off, all right? When you work your ass off in your 20s, you're setting yourself up for success, for a better life ahead. You're putting all of that youthful energy into building yourself a better life without, problems later on, without a ton of bills, right? Because as you get older, you start to slow down a little bit, you wanna have a family, you wanna chill, you wanna enjoy life. You're not gonna have the same energy that you had in your 20s, trust me. So, what you have to do is take all of this youth, all of this energy that you have, and put a lot of it into working hard. Instead of going out and partying every night and hooking up with different people and getting bottles at the club, what you should be doing is working hard and saving some of that money, which actually brings us to our next point. Guys, this is one of the most important things that you have to do in your 20s, because you start making a little bit of money, right? You can save a lot of money in your 20s. So you have to do that. Every single day, or whenever you get paid, every week, every month, save a little bit of that money. 20% would be ideal. You most likely don't have a big family yet. You don't have all of these responsibilities and obligations that you have to pay for, right? So that means that you have a little bit of extra money to save. Save that cash. That's gonna get you a house later on. That's gonna allow you to make an investment later on when the opportunity comes, right? Because when opportunity knocks on that door, do you have the 20 grand that you need to put into that startup that's going to become a $10 million company? Do you have that money? Because if you don't, you're gonna miss out. So make sure that you're saving your money for a rainy day, for future investment, for a future opportunity that's going to knock on your door. That's gonna help you live a comfortable life in the future. And I like the idea of having a comfortable life in the future way better than doing this at the club. That's just the truth. Also, one of the most important things that you need to do in your 20s is developing yourself. You need to be in a constant state of learning. Every time I listen to an interview, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, what do they say? They read a lot of books. They are constantly learning. They're listening to podcasts, listening to audiobooks. Books expose you to ideas and opportunities, to new words. It's literally, you're just absorbing new ideas, new knowledge. All of that by just reading something, by just listening to a podcast, just listening to an audiobook. They stimulate your brain. They expose you to a whole new world and can even offer escape from reality in a really stressful year like we've had the past year. Right? I'm not a fan of reading actual books anymore. I used to read a lot when I was a kid, but now I am a huge believer in audiobooks. Man, I listen to a lot of audiobooks while I'm working out sometimes, in a plane for sure, at home in the mornings. It is so good to just listen for 20 to 30 minutes every single day. You're gonna learn so much. Trust me, in your 20s, you need to be learning. You need to be constantly evolving. In books, that's where it's at. But also, don't forget that you need to go outdoors. This is something that we haven't really done in the past year, and man, I really felt it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm assuming so, because being home, stuck at home, sucks, right? Going outside, exploring the outdoors, there's nothing like it, man. Video games are great, movies are amazing, but the real world, that's where it's at. It's a beautiful world out there. So get outside, get some sun, look at some nature, go for a walk, go for a hike, get some fresh air. That's gonna be really good for your body inside and out. And then of course, after you go on that walk, that run, that hike, make sure to check your Whoop and let me know how you guys are doing, or just join my group so that I can see. I can literally see how you guys are doing every single day. We have over 300 people in the group, which is amazing. By the way, hi, if you're part of the Alex Costa team on the Whoop, hi. Thank you so much for being a part of it. And if you want to join, hit that first link in the description below, get your free Whoop, and join my team. By the way, I have a new YouTube channel where I post short videos, and it's listed below, as well as my Instagram and TikTok. So make sure to check that out. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.